Good morning, Facebook world. I hope everybody's doing really great. This is an amazing day here in Vermont. It's chilly. It's not super warm. I know it's summertime, but I'm not complaining. It's bright and sunny, incredible. Let me show you. Oh, we wait for some folks to jump on. See, blue skies, green grass. Golly, it's beautiful. I had rerouted my live leap. So this should be coming live in on my business page, in the Mind Reset group, in the Conscientious Living group, and on my personal page. Hopefully that's what's happening. When you come in, whether you're watching live or the replay, go ahead and let me know where you are. Like, I love seeing where people are when they watch a video. And so do that and say hello. I have not been really great about making live videos lately. I just haven't. So whatever. I've made a commitment to myself when I was writing out my weekly goals that I was going to go live at least once a day. Now, that doesn't mean it's always going to be live where you can see it. It might be in a private group or something like that, but I'm going live every day. I'm committed to bringing value to you, and I hope that you enjoy. Today, I have a really good topic, and it was inspired by a question that was asked inside of a private Facebook group that I'm a part of, that there is no prospecting allowed. And this is something that I think a lot of people struggle with, especially because it's a really powerful way to grow your business by using Facebook groups. Not only, I think that maybe that's the thing. Maybe we're thinking of it the wrong way. Maybe we're just not using the right terminology in our own brain, and our psychology is getting us in trouble. When you join a Facebook group that is a no prospecting zone, they don't want you friend requesting people and sending private messages or promoting anything, then you should respect that. But you should be there to interact, to learn, to share, to teach, and you're going to end up with friend requests. Okay, so put it to you this way: if there is a no prospecting rule, don't. If there's a no random friend request rule, don't be the one that does it. But I'll tell you how it can be used to be successful in increasing your friends list, increasing the people that you talk to, meeting new people you can collaborate with, and all that fun stuff. And there's a couple of things that I learned from personal experience. Number one, if the admins can tell that you're in a multi-level marketing company on your wall, on your profile, that you have promotional posts, or you're demonstrating products or something like that, or anything like that, they're going to scrutinize anything that you post way more. They're going to scrutinize who you're talking to way more. They're going to scrutinize how you are commenting on posts way more, because they're automatically going to think that you have an angle. Okay, now you and I both know there's absolutely nothing wrong with network marketing, but what happens is marketers ruin things, and they have been burned. They have felt things. They've had people come in and do things. You got to understand that. You have to understand that. So you want to be this, and this is how you should be anyway on your Facebook profile. Your Facebook profile should be about your life. It should be more of a reality show. It shouldn't be promotions for your business. Your Facebook profile should be about you, the things that you love and care about doing, the food you cook, the walks you go on, the family adventures, your friends' adventures, things like that. Yes, you're going to talk about business, because if you are in a home-based business, you're probably pretty passionate about it. Of course you're going to talk about it, but you're not going to use the company name. You're not going to show products with the labels or be using the same pictures. There's this one company that I see them doing this, and it's the same set of teeth. Like, none of the people I know using that product have pictures of their own teeth before and afters. They use the same pair of teeth. You know what that means? I know when I see a friend post that, exactly what company they're in. Now, when you're looking to build relationships with powerful people in social media, and you're going to groups, and you are there for that, and it's a good thing to be there for that. You should be moving forward like that. If they can come over to your wall and see that, oh yeah, they're in that, they're probably going to pitch me. They're not going to send you friend requests. Now, just because there's a rule about that doesn't mean other people aren't going to break them. They will send you friend requests if they like you. And that's what you should be doing. You should be positioning your profile in such a way that, of course, they want to be friends with you. And you're not like one of these crazy people stacking 20s or posting pictures of your $25 PayPals. Or, I can't believe how strict I am now with that kind of thing. And I've done it, so I can pick on it. I can pick on it. There is so much to be said for that. So make sure your profile is set up as a personal profile. Now, in your work section, in that little section, this is tip number 2. In that little work section should be, where you work should be your business page. So like if you go to my profile right now and you look at my About Me section and it says where I work, it's going to say Tara Woodruff is where she works. And you're going to click on that and it's going to go to my business page where I'm actually doing this video from live. That's where maybe people get a little interested in how you want to promote your company is really, I highly suggest no one is able to tell the name of your company from anything that you post anywhere, because Google is never going to give a proper presentation, and you deserve your prospects to have a proper presentation so they can make an informed and educated decision, not because they looked up something and they found a review and the review was just some guy trying to sell some, leads or something like that, or sell you some sort of marketing attraction system or whatever. That's just another landing page, right? So make sure that your profile is connected to where you work, and where you work is you. Now, you may be part-time like I am. Like I'm a full-time, I take care of my granddaughter. That's my full-time job. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do all the time. This is what I do part-time to help me make that a reality. Now, I don't put that, you can see on my little snippets, homeschooling grandma, I think I say, home-based business professional, I say, all-around cool chick, things like that. I keep it really vague, and I share my life with people on my personal profile, and on my business page, I do more business stuff. Now, this video, I'm using the Live Leap, boom, is going over to my personal page because I can put this there. I'm not going to call to action you. I'm not going to do anything like that. It's going to be something very beneficial to anybody that wants to watch it and chooses to watch it, right? So now I go into a group on Facebook, and the group has a very specific no prospecting, and I want to make friends with people in that group. I want to learn from them, and I want to teach them what I know. I should participate in that group, and I should do it with my own education, my own posts, and I should do it with by interacting on comments and whatnot, and making friends with people, maybe even following some of the people. And if they want to be friends with me, they're going to. And if I am providing value and I am somebody that somebody wants to work with, they're going to ask me what I'm doing. See what I'm saying? Prospecting isn't always about reaching out to them and asking them. Prospecting is about following up with someone that asks you as well. That's where marketing comes in. So, with that being said, you don't do auto posts in groups that have what do you call it, blah, blah, blah. You make sure that any kind of article that you share is probably better off you being your own, or just writing a long post about it in the group without a link out to anything else. Make sure that if it's a good article or something like that, that it's not related to a company in particular, especially yours. Just be really thoughtful about that. Maybe one way that you can really understand how to behave in a group that has those kind of rules is have one of your own. Open up a group with a no prospecting rule. Model it, learn it. Ask a couple of friends to get in there. Ask a couple of people and see, and participate in there and see what happens. See what happens, and you're gonna find that you're gonna remove people from here and again. It's just gonna happen, and that's super important. Respect people's groups. If you want to make friends and learn from and expand your reach using someone else's group, then respect them. Absolutely. Think about it this way. I'm in a big coaching group. It's awesome. It's a huge coaching group. It's getting even bigger. It's going to be even bigger. Every day we go in for training. There are so many people that are in my business, my niche, in the type of business that I like to do, that are all over Facebook that I don't even know. And I have to be diligent about when I go out there and actively prospect somebody, that I'm not doing it to people that are members of that group, because I really want to be in that group. Now, if you find that you don't care, you're like, whatever, I'm just going to be here and I'm just going to do whatever, then that's a legacy you're leaving for your business. And I'm not saying that other people haven't been successful with being snaky, but it doesn't always last very long. And you shouldn't go in and try to do anything nefarious. You know, and I don't think that many people really are. I really don't. That's a very small percentage of people. But just realize people have been burnt with that kind of thing. So make sure your profile doesn't make you look like a cheerleader for, you know, like some MLM company. Make sure it's about you. Go ahead and link your business page. And on there, you be smart about that too. Nobody should be able to look up the company you're in. It should not be the place of the name where you work on your personal profile. It's you. Okay? You have a job. Okay? That requires you to be really smart about how you make it happen and whether or not you're going to be successful at it. And your work is something that's really powerful because we help people. You know what I'm saying? Like, we can't even get successful without helping other people do that. And that's why Ray Higdon said today in a video, he said, you know, in comparison to other types of businesses or work where it's lonely at the top, that's not something that people in home-based business profession generally get the feeling of, because they can't be, because you don't get there without others. So think about that when you're doing that. Go ahead and check out your profile. Look at it, you know, and really think to yourself, if I wasn't me and I was looking at this and then I saw I posted something over here and they're like, they sent me a message like, please be careful. Why is it they even know you're in network marketing? What's going on there? You know what I'm saying? I've been refused entry into groups because they could tell, because I was being careless on my profile. Don't look like the shark, okay? And stop being a shark if that's the case. And go out there and enhance people's lives. Do the right thing and enjoy yourself, because there's no reason why, you know, it all can't. If there's a no friend request rule, let them be the ones that friend request you. You don't need to do that. Don't even worry about it. There's plenty of other groups that you can go friend request people like crazy. So you think about that. I hope that helped. And if you need any, like, I'm pretty sure I have a video on how to set up a Facebook profile. If you want it, I will definitely hook you up with it. And, you know, all things are good. Life is good. Life is good. So get out there and be happy, and don't worry about stuff like that. Because if you're being authentic and you're living your life and you're not being a shark, there's no group that's going to not want you around. So with that being said, I love you very much, and I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.